Hi friends, I want to show you my new nightlight candle bulbs. It's a 6-pack, 6 units, okay? They are 0.6 watts each, so they are really soft. They are good for night lights, okay? So we are going to try them. Perfect. You get soft lighting and really small energy use. So I think that's great. The base type, it's an E12. So let's try them. So these candle bulbs are great for this kind of night light bases. They look nice. You don't need any kind of cover for them. They just look nice like this. You see, they give really a bright light. So wherever you need them, they are going to give a lot of light to the place that you need them to be.